Hi guys, welcome to App Guru. In this video, I will show you how to fix Omegle error connecting to server. First, open your Chrome browser. From here, tap on the three dots on the top right and then go to Settings. Now scroll down to the bottom and go to Site Settings. From here, select Cookies. From here, make sure Allow Cookies is selected. After it's done, go back, then scroll down and go to Data Stored. From here, tap on Clear All Data. Then tap on Clear to confirm. Now, go back and go to your browser. Once you're here, close all the tabs. And then open a new tab. Now tap on the three dots on the top right and then go to History. From here, tap on Clear Browsing Data. Now tap on Clear Data to confirm. Now, swipe down your notification bar. From here, turn off your Wi-Fi and then turn it back on. Once your Wi-Fi is connected, go back to your browser and then search Omegle. Now tap on the first link as shown here. As you can see, now it's working just fine. And that's it. Thanks for watching and please leave a like, subscribe and share.